we have with us a representative from the Bombay Stock Exchange today, Mr. Jasdeep Singh Kohli ji. I would really request you to please come on the stage and share some wisdom from your side. Once again, please give a huge round of applause from the Bombay Stock Exchange, Jasdeep Singh Kohli ji.
Thank you, Arvind. Respected dignitaries, my dear friends, good evening, everybody. I am Jasdeep Singh Kohli from BSE. Actually, every speaker has given a same information to you. The reason behind it, because it is a most awareness thing with what SEBI is also doing right now. At present, SEBI has an initiative and they are motivating each and every investor that they are there for their protection. Each and every exchange, each and every depository has a direction from SEBI that we have to conduct across country a maximum programs of awareness programs across country, all cities, towns and everywhere. So we travel everywhere and our audiences, students, general people, public, the main motive is that you should understand what we are doing right now. We have some surplus funds, we are salaried paid people, we are business class, but whenever we have some surplus fund, we go for a wrong direction. We go for a social media, we go behind some gossips, follow some YouTube channels and go for a wrong direction and invest your money and loosen very fast. So as every speaker told the same thing, that you have to be very cautious regarding this, because it is definitely a hard-earned money. For students, we tell them that you have what lifestyle you are living right now, only because your families, your elders have sacrificed for you, that you don't understand. We tell the students, we tell the general public that whatever money you have right now, the general young people are there, they have some pocket money, what is the basically common mistakes they do? They go for overspending in a month. They don't follow the budget. What is basically we call a budget, like we get a satisfaction by using a debit card, but we don't get a satisfaction by using a credit card. We know कि bill आएगा इसका बाद में, तब समझ में आएगा हमें, with interest. So we do overspending in that. So whatever tool you apply for investment, there is no risk in saving, but there is a risk in investment. You have to understand that. And to overcome that, you have to take care whether it is in stock market. As on today, we enter in a stock market by understanding that it is a very, very simple, easy going money. हमने बस account open करना है और trade start कर लेना है. Everybody has the impression this, it's a very easy going money. But normally, more than 90 people lose their money. The reason behind it, because they don't go for a right direction. हमें जैसा अनु सर ने भी बोला है, सबने यही चीज बोली है कि the reason behind it कि we have to go for a SEBI registered broker. Always open an account, always deal with a SEBI registered broker, SEBI financial advisor, SEBI registered research analyst. They will guide you properly, they will ask your budget, they will say what long-term investment goal you have in mind. If you go for a short term, people go for an intraday trade. They go for without understanding anything, without knowing the scripts, without knowing the fundamentals. Even they don't know what the company is doing. We go for a trade and we lose the money. There's a high risk in that. But whenever you go for a long-term investment, definitely you will get a good return out of that. So you have to very, very precautious, you have to take a cautious in that it is not a easy going money in stock market. Now if you go for a mutual fund, always go for a disciplined way. Like sir told earlier, that you have to be in a disciplined manner investment in mutual fund. आज आपके सैलरी क्लास भी हैं या बिजनेस क्लास हैं, टेक आउट सम मनी 500,000, 2,000, 5,000 every month. Whenever you get an income monthly, first of all take out some percentage of money for investment. Then go for the list of spending. We go overspending first, then we think about the whatever is left. But first of all, priority is every investment has a thumb rule. First of all is safety. You have to keep safety. What you are doing, which product you are taking, take a safety of that. There should be some safety in that. Second thing, you have to take care that there should be liquidity in that. कि आज मेरे पास पैसा है, कल इन केस मेरे को जरूरत पड़ जाती है, whether that product gives me the back it, can I take out some money out of that product or not? Liquidity है कि नहीं? Tax benefit, nobody knows कि मैं investment कर रहा हूँ, उसका tax implication क्या होगा? Tax implication पता होना चाहिए इस product के बारे में. और सबसे बड़ी चीज है जो return. Why I am doing the investment? I should have a good return out of it. तो ये चीजें आपको ध्यान रखनी पड़ेगी while investing. So we request you that go for a safe investment. आज हम mostly we evaluate that more than 65% people go for a traditional FD saving. But जैसा कि सर ने बोला कि 7% आपको मिलेगा और कितना मिलेगा उसमें. But does it really beat the inflation? It does not beat the inflation. So we have to go for other products, but go for a very, very right product which gives you a good return, has a good implication, tax benefit also, and most important thing, you should be safe in that. So always go for a good financial advisor और सभी registered broker से deal करिए जो आपको guide करे proper. Genuine people are there, but you have to identify those people. Otherwise, maximum people will misguide you. All these channels are misguiding you only because they want to take out money from you, and nobody will come back and give you the loss. So thank you very much all of you for listening.
Now we would like to felicitate our representative from the Bombay Stock Exchange, Jasdeep Singh Kohli ji. And for that I would request Shilpi Yadav ma'am and CA Vipin Agrawal sir to please felicitate Shri Jasdeep Singh Kohli ji. Jasjeet Singh Kohli ji. We'll felicitate our esteemed speaker, Shri Anuj Gupta, and for that I would like to call upon Shri Ankur Jain ji and Chakbandhu Kar ji to felicitate Shri Anuj Gupta ji. Next, we would be felicitating our esteemed speaker Santosh Pant ji, and for that I would request Rahul and Shivani Gupta to please come forward. Next, we would like to felicitate R.C. Gupta sir, and for that I would like to request Rohan Sharma ji and Sandhya Tripathi ji to please come forward and felicitate R.C. Gupta sir. Now we would be felicitating our esteemed speaker Sanjay Kakhar sir, and for that I would like to call upon Rajiv Banerjee sir and Rakesh Chaudhary ji to please come forward and felicitate Kakhar sir. A huge round of applause. Now it's time to honor Shri Sangam Kumar Agrawal ji, and for that we would like to call upon Ujjwal Datta ji and Jeevan Chandra ji to please felicitate Sangam Kumar Agrawal ji. And now we would be felicitating our beloved P.K. Sabharwal ji. And for that, I would like to call Jagdish sir, Dharmendra sir, and C.A. Sunita Dalal ma'am to please come up forward and felicitate Sabharwal ji.
Harinder Pass India ke aa jao. Part of my family member is here. So I will actually बड़े दिनों बाद कोई फैमिली मेंबर सामने बैठा था पर मेरी स्पीच उनसे पहले हो गई.
A round of applause, everyone.
और ये मेरे को क्या कहा?
इन्होंने फैमिली का मेरे दूर है
So with that, we are done with the first session. We'll begin the next session in just a minute. Thank you so much, everyone.